Hi, I'm Christos Athanasiou. I'm faculty at the School of Aerospace Engineering, so I work on sustainable materials and structures. And this is kind of a different project from the ones that were presented before. So we're trying to make to engineer ways to make hood on demand locally, and that can be very important also for space applications. So the team comprises of 4 PIs. Ulrika is doing the plant biology, and I'm doing the mechanics of materials and manufacturing, together with Cyrus, Aidun, and Patricia is doing the life cycle assessment. So this is a team, and we are very glad that BBISS and RBI actually supported this project. This was one of the first steps to grow actually a community on new age manufacturing of good products. So what do we do with the fund? We traveled to Fort Valley State University, which is one of the best HBCUs in Georgia, and they have a very strong bioengineering program. So we visited them, and we're trying to establish collaboration and bring some of their students here. We hosted a high-profile visitor to talk about plant mechanics and biology, more like an interdisciplinary approach. And we obtained preliminary results and resubmitted our NSF proposal, which was rejected last year. So fingers crossed. And moving on, we would like to work with the Georgia Forestry Foundation to better position this new technology within the forestry, the wood manufacturing industry. And we're gonna organize a workshop, Forest in a Lab, where ReWood, which is one of the biggest initiatives towards this front, hosted. Actually, most of the faculty, our RBI faculty, will join the effort, and then we're submitting a paper with the results and a patent.